Through this video, I will tell you how to convert and download Office 365 emails into different multiple file formats, like PST, EML, Gmail, Yahoo, MSG, MBOX, HTML, etc. on a macOS-based desktop or computer. Let's check out the best solution for this. Sysinfotools Mac Office 365 backup software is the most reliable solution for storing Office 365 items, like emails, contacts, calendars, etc. into other email clients such as Gmail, Thunderbird, Yahoo, etc. on macOS. Now have a look upon the main features of the Mac Office 365 backup tool. The software backup and saves Office 365 mailbox items in PST, MBOX, EML, MSG, MHTML, etc. file format. It offers you to directly convert Office 365 emails to other email clients like Gmail, Yahoo, Thunderbird, Zebra, etc. You can apply the date range filter option to choose Office 365 data that belongs to a specific date range. Exports Office 365 email data by keeping data structure and folder hierarchy. The software smoothly runs on different macOS editions. Now learn how it works. Once you launch the software, where you can see the basic login interface of Office 365 backup software. Here choose Office 365 backup option to proceed with the backup process. Type in your Office 365 account ID and password and click on the login button. In the next window, select the mail items like emails, calendars, contacts, etc. from Office 365 Mailbox. Now choose the file format in which you want to save O365 mailbox items. Here we select PST format. Then, select the file saving path and temporary folder to store the output files as PST. Click the next button to continue. In the new pop-up window, you can tick the date filter checkbox to filter emails according to a certain date range. You can also go by excluding the empty folders option. Click the apply button to start the backup process. Within a few seconds, the software will create Office 365 mailbox backup in the desired file format and stores them in a defined location. Click OK after the backup process gets completed and exit the software with ease. Thank you for watching the video. For more such updates, subscribe the channel and follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn.